First, open ChatGPT in your web browser. Now go ahead and ask it to create a prompt for you that you can later use on Midjourney. To create a picture of a line, go to the search bar and type "Write a generative art prompt." You can also search for any other topic that you want. With ChatGPT, you will get a descriptive prompt that you can use on Midjourney. Now, here is a Midjourney prompt formula that you must know. First, you need to put the image we are prompting. 5 descriptive keywords: camera type, camera lens, time of day, style of photograph, and type of film. If we want to get an image related to photography, by adding this prompt, you can easily get the desired results from Midjourney. Now, let us add this formula to ChatGPT and try to get a related prompt. After adding the formula, I am adding an additional prompt to please respond with yes if you understand the formula. As you can see, it actually gets it. Now, let us ask it to write 5 Midjourney prompts for urban photography. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated results as per our requirements. You can now use any of these prompts to get results from Midjourney. Now, copy the prompt that you like the most and paste it on Midjourney. Go to Discord and open Midjourney in the message bar. Paste the prompt, but put a /image before it and you will get these options. After adding your prompt, you will get the desired results from the Midjourney bot. If you found Midjourney interesting and you want to try it yourself, simply click on the link given in the description box. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.